Hello, I am Ashwini Saurabh Mehras from Department of Statistics, RBNB College, Srirampur. Today I am going to teach the organizations of statistics in India. So there are statistical organizations in India. There are many organizations which works on the topic statistics, that is collection, presentation, analysis and interpretations of the data. This is the basic definition. So I am telling you some organizations of statistics in India. The first is CSO, that is Central Statistical Office. So organization, or we can call it as office. So it was established in 1951 by Government of India, and government established the CSO for the coordination of statistical organizations in various states for the help purpose. So CSO works under the Cabinet Secretariat. CSO was established by for the doing many functions. So in 1961 the Department of Statistics was set up in the CSO, and it performs the various functions such as it processing and publication of the industrial data, preparation of national accounts, then training programs of official statistics, organization of various conferences in India. So these functions do the CSO. It does the various functions under many divisions such as statistical wing, also the population division, training division and national income division, etc. So under these divisions CSO performs many works. My next organization is NSSO, which is National This National Sample Survey Organization was established in 1950 under the guidance of P.C. Mahalanobis, who is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis, and the first name was NSS, and in 1970 it was renamed as NSSO. NSSO also performs the various functions such as Central Statistical Office. The main functions are survey design and research, field large-scale sample surveys, sample design and research, field operations, data processing, coordination and publications. So these are some functions of NSSO, and there are 170 offices throughout the country. So near to us, the one field operation division, that is FOD, is situated at Akurdi, Pune. So it does the many functions such as data collection and estimation of national income for the activities of Planning Commission. It also takes the NSSO collects the data regarding the prices, wages, production, consumption, agriculture, etc. NSSO conducts sample surveys in the registered industrial sectors. It provides guidance for the various states and does the job of supervision for conducting various surveys. Also, the CSO helps NSSO in designing and tabulation, in fixing the priorities and coordination. Okay, so they are the two organizations. Also, NSSO performs the various programs for the each year. It has many rounds in each year for the surveys. and also the reliability of surveys is checked by various authorities. The next institute in India is Indian Statistical Institute, which is ISI. It is situated at Kolkata, and it was established in 28th April 1932 by P.C. Mahalanobis. It does various functions such as to carry out the research qualifying of high standards. ISI runs many courses for students also, such as B-Stat, Master of Stats, that is M-Stats, etc. These courses are run by ISI, and besides this it has PhD in various statistical divisions such as SQC, that is Statistical Quality Control. So it has various branches of statistics, and allied subjects are conducted by ISI. So the main point is research. So in ISI, research is done in various statistical papers, and the journal Sankhya is very famous, which is from the ISI. So it is situated at Kolkata. The next institute is Indian Institute for Population Studies. Indian Institute for Population Studies. It is established at Mumbai. It is a research center and established in July 1956. It serves the various functions such as training and research in population studies for the countries of Asia and Pacific region. So it has many courses also, such as a diploma in population studies or master in population studies, etc. It also have the main point, which is a research. So these are some organizations which do the work on statistics in India. Let's see the next point, which is Indian statistical heritage. So there are many statisticians, Indian statisticians, who are having their work in statistics. The first is P.C. Mahalanobis. So his full name is Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis. He was born in 1893. So his father Prabodh Chandra, who was active member of Sadhanam Brahmo Samaj, he completed, that is P.C. Mahalanobis, he was born in 29th June of 1893, and his birthday is celebrated as National Statistics Day in India. So he completed his schooling in Calcutta in 1908. And he graduated in physics with honors in physics from Presidency College, Kolkata. He went to England in 1913 and completed his tripos in mathematics and physics from King's College, Cambridge. So he was the first candidate who got the first class from the physics subject in Cambridge University. Then he went to research for England, but went to India for further research, and he never went to England. He has worked in prevention of flood in various areas of our country. So his work is very appreciated by Indian government. So he applied D-square statistics on anthropological inferences were drawn from the data collected through the sample surveys in Bengal. He started his work in sample surveys with the estimation of areas for the crop of jute in Bengal 1937. So he received a Weldon Medal from Oxford University in 1944. He was also elected as a Fellow of Royal Society, London from 1945. He was also got our state's honor Padma Vibhushan. So he has founded the ISI with the help of R.C. Bose, S.N. Roy and C.R. Rao in 1931. He was Fellow of American Statistical Association in 1961 and he died in 1972. So this is the information about Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis, who is the Indian statistician. The next is C.R. Rao. So his full name is Kallampudi Radhakrishna Rao. So he was born in 10th September 1920 and he is now living legend and great statistician in India. So let's see some information about him. So he born on 10th September in 1920 in Karnataka and his father is C.D. Naidu and Lakshmi Kanthamma. So he was the 8th child of his parents. That's why he may be named after as a Radha Krishna after the Lord Krishna. So he was interested in the physics subject. He was his father's pride, hope and joy. So he completed his mathematics, that is BA in mathematics, and then after that he completed his MA in mathematics. His teacher Ramaswamy, who created the interest in research in him. Then he was joined to ISI, that is PC Mahalanobis, and he worked as a technical apprentice on the basic salary of 75 rupees per month. He does his work in design of experiment and multivariate analysis and also worked on the anthropometric data, and he assisted the professor in editorial work of Sankhya. The Sankhya is a journal of statistics. His famous research work includes the Cramer-Rao inequality, Rao's U test, then Rao-Blackwell theorem, research on linear models, efficient scores, research in multivariate analysis, etc. So in 1946 he completed he was sent to Cambridge University for analysis of anthropometric data. Then there he completed his PhD under the guidance of Professor R.A. Fisher. Here Professor R.A. Fisher is called as a father of statistics. So he worked under the Professor Fisher. Then he returned in India and was appointed as a professor at ISI, that is Indian Statistical Institute, at the age of 28th year. Then he has done his further work in ISI. So as the head of research and training school at ISI during 1949 to 63, and after the death of PC Mahalanobis, he was the director and secretary of ISI and editor of Sankhya. During 1976 to 84, he was Jawaharlal Nehru professor. He was Jawaharlal Nehru professor at ISI. So in 1984, he retired from ISI. So So he has done many work in statistics, and he got the country's honor, that is Padma Vibhushan, that is country's second highest civilian award, and made him 6th national professor for outstanding contributions to science, engineering and statistics. So he received 24 honorary doctoral degrees from 15 different universities, 15 different countries, and he authored and co-authored the 14 books, and he have written 300 research papers. So this is all about his work, and he is a now living legend, and he lives in Pennsylvania. The next scientist is Professor P.V. Sukhatme. His full name is Panduranga Vasudev Sukhatme, and he born on 27th July 1911. In Budh village in Satara district. So his father Vasudev and mother Satyabhama wanted to Pune for the better education of their children. Then P.V. Sukhatme completed his schooling from Bhave School from Pune, and he stood first in all examinations. He was the student of SP College also. Then he graduated from the Ferguson College with the honor subject of mathematics. Then he went to London for the MSc in mathematics. He has the support of Hindu Education Society fund, and also from the private loans. So he has worked with the Professor R.A. Fisher also, and Professor J. Neyman. Then he has worked in sampling, and the very famous book in sampling is written by him. It is a textbook, and he contributed in the establishment of Department of Statistics in Bombay University. He has done various work in the agricultural field, also in the health department, that is for he has research in nutrition studies. So he got the Padma Bhushan award, and many other awards are there for the P.V. Sukhatme. The next scientist is V.S. Huzurbazar. So Vasant Shankar Huzurbazar, he was born on September 15th, 1919. He is from the Kolhapur district. He has also many awards, and he has done the work in statistics in various fields. Okay, this is all about the information of Indian statisticians who have done their work in statistics. Thank you.